Hello, day 3 of 365 ways to rest, and I'm already almost running out of daylight. But hurry, gotta film. Anyway, today's tip is to take your time in the beginning or the end of the year to do a year-end review and goal setting. Even though it sounds like hard work, and it is a little bit mentally taxing, I've just spent the whole day doing it using the Complice goal crafting intensive workshop, and honestly the 5 hours passed by like this, and I think I was just working through module 1 when there's like 4 of them, but it's very illuminating. It's relaxing in a different way. Yes, it's taxing for the mind, but it's relaxing in a way that suddenly out of like, oh my god, I want to do this and this and this, and what am I going to focus on, and I want to do too much, there's this calmness and clarity. You go through the process faithfully and come out the other end very relaxed about the overall life trajectory, if you will. So I'll put the links in the description. I have really high hopes for the Complice system. It's interesting to meet all those people, discover these new methodologies. I thought I was like productivity and geek through and through, but never heard of it. I'm really happy that I found it. And highly recommend. There's a few, I think, other goal intensives still available if anybody's watching in the next couple of days. And yes, I am working on my laptop in a hammock, just like in the movies, about tropical locations and remote digital nomad lifestyles. But the hammock is arrested for another day. This one is about goal setting, year-end review, goal setting. You can do it anytime, but year-end is when they run all these programs and you can do it with other people, which is lots of fun. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else to say. There's lots on my mind, and there's still lots to do. I feel like there's more to do than what I've done, but yes, I am quite clear on my priorities now. So yeah, instead of rambling, I'll just finish this off and see you tomorrow.